This video is going to be about how to fix short attention span. The number one thing in your life. That's what matters most. Because without attention, you can't live life. This is also going to be for ADHD and those things amongst those. So I'm going to show you what I personally have been eating. You don't have to eat this way exactly, but this is a great standard and foundation. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So, I don't have this out, but I've been eating bacon. I just got 2 types of different bacon. Okay, I got the fucking almost the cheapest kind. I didn't even buy expensive because all these farms are charging outrageous money. They're charging outrageous money for just meat in general. I don't know who's buying for those farms. A bunch of super rich people, uppity people. Yeah, so this is what I've been eating pretty much for like the last week. Other than the last 2 days, I switched it up. I've been eating bacon, okay? Why is bacon the best? Because bacon has fat. What is everybody's diets missing? Good fats. Animal fats. Not canola oil. Not any type of oil. Unless it's fish oil, which I guess it's the same. Lard, tallow, all these different names for the same fat, just different animal. Sometimes different trimmings, but fat is what everyone's missing in their diet. Most people are getting protein. Just think about when you get a fish sandwich or a sandwich, what do you have on there? You have the meat, the patty, the bun, the onion, the lettuce, the condiments, spices, whatever. But where is the fat? You don't have the fat. You have the fiber, the protein, all this other stuff, but you don't really have any fat. Everyone's missing fat. Fat heals the body. And it increases your attention span. Yes, it does. Because why do you think when they make lights, candles, and the first candle, and any type of oil, coconut oil, sesame seed oil, olive oil, they're all used to burn? Because they burn fat. They ignite the flame. Your body runs on fat, basically. At least half of it, and you need it. So with the bacon, I'm always eating fat. I'm eating butter with the bacon, okay? I took my time out. I want to go back to eating. There's only a few bites left anyway. I've been adding ketchup. I'm going to talk about that in another video. And yogurt. Why? Because you can get some probiotics in here. And there's some fat, more fat in here. I like the whole milk. I don't even care that that's Greek. I don't care that it's Greek at all. In fact, next time I'm probably not going to get the Greek. This is the cheapest. And sometimes I throw maple syrup on there instead of the ketchup. Super easy. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've been eating the last week. Super straightforward. It's going to make you feel good. And why bacon? Why bacon? Because bacon already has so much fat into it. There's not anybody that doesn't like bacon. Bacon's probably the #1 meat. It is. Like, it's the best tasting. It's the #1. That's why everyone wants it or wants to add it on. They throw freaking bacon in the smoothies down south. Why do you think they have meat, but then they throw bacon on top of the sandwich? The more fat that as much fat as your body can get it in. Why are you always hungry? Or have you ever felt like you're always hungry? It's because you're not getting enough fat, 10-1. Because there's not enough of it. So when you get these fresh fats, animal fats, They're going to be what you need. They burn longer. And again, most people aren't getting it. And it satiates you. It satiates you. Go eat 1,000,000 avocados, then go eat a bunch of bacon grease. Tell me which one you feel better on. I guarantee you're going to feel better and sustain on the bacon grease. Okay. That's pretty much all for that video. You have any questions, let me know down below.